Ready to transform that American Express gift card into awesome Roblox accessories, but not sure how? First, head over to the Roblox website and log into your account. Make sure it's the account where you want to spend your Robux. Next, navigate to the Robux purchase page. You can usually find this by clicking on the Robux icon at the top right of the screen. Choose the amount of Robux you want to buy, keeping in mind the balance on your MX gift card. On the payment screen, look for the Redeem Roblox card option and select it. Scratch off the back of your physical American Express gift card to reveal the security code. Now, carefully enter the code from your MX gift card into the designated fields on the Roblox redemption page. Click Redeem, and that's it. Your Robux should now be added to your account. Time to head into the avatar editor and give your character a fresh new look with all those sweet accessories. Enjoy your upgraded Roblox experience.